these might be the most delicious creamed cheesy leeks. So let's do it.
You want a nice large mixing bowl.
You want a box grater.
We want a good quality, extra mature cheddar.
And so for our delicious, indulgent, gooey grilled cheese sandwich, grate the cheddar cheese out into the bowl. And for a grilled cheese sandwich, the rough rule of thumb,
pretty much 2 handfuls
per sandwich, just to give you a rough idea.
Next, we need a hydroplane and parmesan.
We want to grate in roughly the same amount of some lovely aged parmesan. Again, equal amounts of both. So grate out the Parmigiano.
Keep a little bit of parmesan aside. We're going to be using this to finish off the grilled cheese sandwich at the end. Next, we want to mix this up.
Give it a good mixing up with your hands. And that there is our delicious cheese mix. Great meltability, and the Parmesan complements the cheddar perfectly for this one.
So that goes to one side for a tick until we need it.
Now you're going to want a really sharp knife. Always keep your equipment in good nick. And then you want your leeks, and very simply just chop off the little end bit.
Just this hard bit of root at the end there.
And a great trick to prepare your leeks so you can give them a thorough wash is to cut them in half.
And then once down through the leek, turn it on the side.
And then in half again, so you can fan them out.
And same again this way.
But leave the root portion of the leeks to hold them together. A great trick.
And from there, we can fan the leek out and give it a really, really good wash.
Once you've prepared all of your leeks and quartered them, you want to give them a thorough washing under some lukewarm water.
There we go. So next, we're going to give these a really good rinse and a wash. We can get right inside there, get out any dirt, grit, any bugs or slugs. Get them nice and clean, and then we're going to finish prepping them.
Once you've done this, return your leeks to the chopping board.
There you go, nice and clean. The way that I like to do it, chop this little end bit into slices.
You want to thinly slice the root end of the leeks.
And then with the rest, about 1 inch roughly.
And then roughly chop your way through the leaf portion.
Into a bowl.
You want a bit of texture to these leeks in the finished dish, so don't cut them too fine. Once you've prepared your leeks, pop those into a bowl, and there we have our diced prepared leek and our cheese mix ready to go.
There we go, that's our prep done. We have our leeks, nice and coarse. We have our cheese mix. So now we can put this thing together.
And so at this point, you want to pop a Dutch oven onto the hob, remove the lid, turn the heat down relatively low, and we're going to be making a bechamel sauce.
To start, about 2 tablespoons of your butter.
The way that I've found always works for a bechamel is to go in with equal parts butter to flour, roughly speaking.
Keep the heat low. As soon as that's melted, the same amount of plain flour, and you're good to go. There we go. So we just want to cook out the rawness of that flour into a paste. So we're literally talking 2 to 3 minutes. And then for the milk,
very, very slowly and gently start incorporating your milk, a little splash at a time.
Stir that through and repeat to get it really nice and smooth. Keep adding your milk, keep that heat low.
Patience wins in this one. You want a beautiful, smooth bechamel sauce.
There we go, we're getting there. A little bit thick. We want this to be slightly looser white sauce because we're going to add a mountain of cheese.
So a little splash of milk, give it a good stir, another splash, and repeat. And keep going until you've got your desired consistency. And then we want to add some mustard.
2 teaspoons of Dijon. A heaped teaspoon of English mustard.
Give it a really good stir.
Look at that. And now our cheese goes in.
And then stir that through, melt it into the sauce.
And you want to melt that cheese into the mustardy bechamel. So stir away, gently melt that through. And this is where we adjust the consistency, we season, and get this just as we want. So we want a little touch more milk. Stir as we melt.
And you want to season the bechamel.
Pinch of salt. And for this one, we're going with white pepper.
With some salt and white pepper. Next, you want to chuck in your cheese mix.
Get this lid out of the way. Turn this hob on, keep it really low. And basically we are just going to stir this every few minutes just so it's ticking over.
So pop a good non-stick frying pan onto the hob, turn the heat to about medium, add a little splash of olive oil,
Then in with our leeks.
and before we season we're going to cook down the leeks a touch because there is a lot in there.
That is a lot of leeks, but they are going to cook down by at least half, if not quite a bit more. At this point, I just want to get these started first of all, and for them to start to break down a little bit. So keep the heat on medium, do your best to stir for a few minutes. These will cook down really quickly as we cook out the water content. So just gently turn them best you can, and also every few ticks, stir the cheese sauce. In fact, I'm going to turn the heat off just for a few minutes. We're going to bung it back on again shortly. Already, they've reduced in size by about a quarter, I would say. So we're able to move them around a bit better now. And also, at this point,
You can season with a good pinch of salt.
and leeks love freshly ground black pepper. So be generous. We've got the white pepper in the cheese, layers and layers of flavour. And just a little tip to mention at this point, when you're combining a few different things to create a dish, you want to treat each element of the dish like a standalone element or component basically. So that cheese sauce, perfectly seasoned, would be delicious just to eat it as it is. The leeks, we want those perfectly seasoned and we want to cook them out to the point where we could just eat those as they are, and they're going to taste absolutely incredible. You maximise the flavour of each element, and when it all comes together, that's when you really get that wow factor.
Keep them moving, cook out that water, and once you get a nice bit of colour on the leeks, a tiny touch of caramelisation and charring, and they've reduced down by about 2/3, we can incorporate our beautiful cheese sauce. So go in with a good ladle, give it a good mixing up.
Keep the heat low, stir that through.
Another ladle, give it another mix, and keep going until you've got them as cheesy and gooey as you like. You can use more or less cheese, this really is up to you and your preference. So keep going until you're happy, and once they're ready, we're good to go.
Turn off the heat, and that there is perfection.
So pour your leeks out onto a plate, and I always like to finish these off with a really nice grating of some Parmesan cheese.
So there we have it.
The most delicious cheesy creamed leeks.
Right, so here goes. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh yeah, that is really, really good. You can taste the mustard. You can literally taste both mustards. You get the richness of the cheese. And despite that sauce, the leeks are there front and center. They are incredible. And so I'm gonna polish these off. You can just hit that subscribe button below for loads more recipes.